Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like...
So hello guys, my name is Misty and welcome to my channel. So dun sa mga baguhan, please hit the subscribe button dyan sa baba and the notification bell para every time na mag-upload ako ng new video ay mananotify kayo. So without further ado, let's continue to our tutorial. Yes, this tutorial, what we're gonna need are first, a hairspray, a spoolie, and this one is optional, a eyeshadow palette, or if you have those brow pomade, you can use those. At least this, ayan, you can choose whatever color you like na magbabagay or sakto sa skin nyo. Kung kailangan nyo pa, i-define yung brows nyo. So, this is optional lang. And the last but not the least, is soap. Pero mas preferably, I recommend the transparent one. Pero ito na lang yung ginagamit ko. Ito yung freebies na nakuha ko doon sa Neutrogena foundation. So, since napakaliit, ito na lang ginagamit ko. Soap. This one is very important.
So, yan. Tulad ng sinabi ko, yung soap yung pinaka-importanteng gamit natin sa pag-achieve ng kilays on fleek or eyebrows on fleek. Nga pala guys, I've already done my foundation, my makeup, my lips. Yung hindi na lang is my kilay. Yes, makapal talaga ang kilay ko. Kaya optional lang din sa akin yung brow pomade or eyeshadow palette. In case na lang may mga space pa kayong makita dyan, saka natin i-define yan. So, let's proceed to the tutorial.
So, yes, I've tied up my hair already para hindi magulo sa ating pag-achieve ng eyebrows on fleek. So what we're gonna do is shake our hairspray, spray it on our spoolie like so, and then we're gonna rub our spoolie sa soap, ganyan. Sorry, medyo may color na talaga yung soap because I've been using it already. So enough para malagyan lang yung brush ng spoolie. And then we're gonna rub it. Yeah. Upwards. I think I put too much soap. Ayan guys. Nakikita niyo na. Okay, so we're just gonna brush it up like so. And let it dry. When the soap dry, just press it. You press lang. So, yan. Kita nyo. Compare dyan sa isa. Oh. I've used so many brow gels. Pero, compared to this trick, walang nakaka-achieve ng ganyan ka-fleeky na eyebrows. So, we're gonna do the same sa kabila. Just brush it up like so. Sorry. Okay. Brush up. So, yes, we're just gonna do the same trick until we're satisfied with the look. We're just gonna press it and let it dry. So voila, look at those eyebrows on fleek. So like what I've said, the brow pomade and the sorry, nagmukha akong pusa, hindi naman kasi bagay talaga sa ano. The brow pomade and the eyeshadow palette is just optional, especially if you have thick brows like me. Okay, so yeah, ganyan na siya, and I hope you like it and you try this trick at home para may compare nyo. Wala. So yes, if if you're aiming for that natural look, bagay na bagay yung trick na to. So, you should try. It is a must try. So, yes. You can definitely see that fleeky eyebrows. Yep. So, I hope you love or like this tutorial or trick that I've made. So, please don't forget to subscribe and hit like if you like this video. Thanks. Bye-bye. So, yes, if you're aiming for that natural look, this trick is really gonna pull it off. Okay, so I hope you try this. This trick is really a must try. And this look is really good for that under the sun selfie that I've been doing recently, and I've got hooked